Tommy? Wild Tommy, were you near this window?
Yes, but I did not break it! What was that sound? It came from the classroom.
Earlier, yet during lunch break, before the window accident, Tuffet. Let us sit near the trees.
I want to practice football first. What side? I left my notebook in the classroom.
What happened?
My notebook is still in the classroom. Come back quickly.
My notebook should still notebook be on my desk. Then I can go back outside.
I kicked it too hard. Stop! Oh no! I broke the window! I will hide the ball. Maybe no one will know.
The window is broken. Who did this?
Tommy, why inside the sign I can click it?
I only came back for my notebook. I heard the crash before I came his notebook.
But here's that Tommy whether he saw anyone near inside.
He heard the crash before entering.
Maybe we should look for a clue. This mark is round. It looks like a muddy football hit the window.
Those footprints came from outside. Let us follow them carefully. The trail continues outside. It leads toward the playground bushes. This is the ball that hit the window.
Then someone hit it here.
Noah, is this your football?
Noah, is this your football?
Where did you find it?
No.
I have mixed the ball and broke the window.
I kicked the ball too hard, and I hit it because I was afraid. I am sorry I let Tommy take the blame.
I am sorry for making an assumption before checking the evidence.
That being sorry, I blamed you too quickly. I was scared no one would believe me.
We must check the facts simply because they are nearby.
That clues to help reveal what blaming anyone. The clues showed us the truth.